My name is Poppy. My name is Poppy. He is my brother. He is my brother. We are walking on the path. We are walking on the path. We are near the gate. We are near the gate. The garden looks beautiful. The garden looks beautiful. This place is peaceful. This place is peaceful.
Poppy, look at this. Poppy, look at this.
Wow, it is a nice flower. Wow, it is a nice flower. The flower is very colorful. The flower is very colorful. I am touching the flower. I am touching the flower. Look at that butterfly. Look at that butterfly. The butterfly is flying.
The
Butterfly is flying. I like this garden. I like this garden. Look at that cat. Look at that cat. The cat is sleeping. The cat is sleeping. We are walking slowly. We are walking slowly. He is sitting beside me. He is sitting beside me. We are resting. We are resting. The wind is blowing. The wind is blowing. The sun is shining. The sun is shining. The air is cool here. The air is cool here. I am holding your hand. I am holding your hand. I see a small pond. I see a small pond. I am throwing a small stone. I am throwing a small stone. We are going outside. We are going outside. Today is a good day. Today is a good day. We are happy together. We are happy together.